let's discuss the kidneys in Chinese medicine. When the kidneys are mentioned in Chinese medicine, this is referring to three structures that are today regarded as separate organs: the kidneys, adrenal glands, and gonads. The adrenal glands are attached to the top of the kidneys, and the gonads are nearby. These three organs all share the same meridian, which is known as the kidney meridian, so that when kidney acupoints are stimulated, this is able to treat all three of these structures. From the physiological point of view, these three structures may all therefore be considered to be the same single organ. In contemporary physiology, the main functions of the kidneys are to filter out various toxins from the blood, regulate the amount of water that circulates in the blood plasma, recycle other vital nutrients in the body, such as glucose and amino acids, help to marshal the body's resources in times of stress by constricting the blood vessels to increase blood pressure, regulate the amount of red blood cells, and to work closely with the lungs to regulate the acid level in the body. The adrenal glands function differently depending on whether the body is stressed or not. When not stressed, their main functions are to regulate the body's energy usage and mobilize its energy stores, regulate, regulate the blood glucose level by contracting insulin, play a key role in the development and maintenance of normal immunity, and to enable the brain to create short-term memories. And when the body is stressed, the main functions of the adrenal glands are to suppress the immune system and bone formation, slow down the healing of wounds, and shut down the reproductive system, actively increase the immediate supply of energy, and to raise blood pressure levels. The gonads are the testes in men and the ovaries in women. Between them, they secrete hormones that control the body's development at each stage of life. As we pass from childhood into puberty and onto adulthood and old age. Thank you for your attention.